Okay guys, here we are again, another video, the Jim Elliott YouTube channel. So what we're going to do, I've got my toque here. I'll show you why in a minute. I'm going to do a review here on something I really like, a brand I really like. Okay, and this blue shirt I'm wearing right now is actually the same brand, Gildan. You know, they make good clothing. You know, t-shirts, hoodies, they make it all really good quality. So let's open up this package here now and see what's awaiting us. Always so much crap they throw in a package, you know? But here it is. Have a look, guys. This is a Gildan 2XL Heavy Blend Heliconia. That's the color, of course. Hoodie. And there you go. Okay. Have a look. Very, very nice, very colorful, very bright. I like this color a lot. I have a couple of shirts in this color too. So yeah, you can see it's just, it's perfect. You know, we've got the hood, of course. We've got the strings here tied in knots at the factory, so when you wash it, the string doesn't end up going inside, which that never happens anyway. So we're going to try this on, and this is where the toque comes in. You know, as you see, I'm bald. I shave my head, right? And I actually haven't shaved it in 2 or 3 days, so it's actually even more important now that I have this toque. What you do, put a toque on your head, and then when you go to put on the hoodie, the fleece and stuff from the hoodie isn't going to end up all over your head, you know. So let's do this now. Put this on, and then I'll give you my thoughts on it. Take the toque off, pull it down. Yeah, it feels really good. You know, perfect size, perfect fit. You know, I'm a big guy, so 2XL is perfect. And yeah, there you go. There's the Heliconia Gildan Heavy Blend 2XL hoodie. Yeah, you can buy these anywhere. Just go to Google and just type in Gildan Heavy Blend hoodie Heliconia. It'll pop right up, and they're fairly cheap too. You know, so yeah, whatever. And, you know, they make obviously many colors. If this isn't your thing, you know, Heliconia is not your thing. Hey, there's 50 other colors you can choose from. So pick which one you like and buy one. But there you go, guys. Again, thank you for watching this video, and subscribe if you haven't already. If you have subscribed, I thank you for that. Like the video, share it, but just stay tuned. We could do, I guess. But thanks again, guys. I'll send this to you now. Upload this to YouTube. You can look at it, and I'll see you soon.